Okay, I'm going to talk you through how to draw the base stand. So we're going to use the rectangle tool. I'm going to draw this to be 170 millimeters by 74 millimeters. Okay. I like to unselect. I'm going to reselect. I'm just going to make this back to 1 point so you can see it. Use my rectangle, in this corner. This time I'm going to go 10 millimeters by 68 millimeters. That there should give me a clear space of 6 millimeters just here. I can use my dimension tool to go and check that, and that's absolutely correct. Escape because I don't actually want a dimension there. Okay, this should be a new function for you. Black arrow tool, select both objects and use this one here for minus front. We've now cut a big hole out on the corner. I'm going to do exactly the same down the other end, 10 by 68. Black selection arrow. I can use my align tools to make sure that I'm aligning to the top edge and the right hand edge. Use my Pathfinder minus front to take a big bite out. Use my white selection arrow. I'm going to zoom in here and click on the anchor point in the corner, and I can drag this in. I can now come up here to where it says corners, and I can change this to 6 millimeters. I'll do exactly the same thing on the opposite corner. Just that process again. Select the anchor point, this little button that pops up here, drag that in and change this to 6 millimeters. Second last thing we need to do is we're going to put some little holes in here to allow for the little pins. They're going to be 10 by 3 millimeters, and we're going to do 2 of them. I can select both of those by holding shift, use my align tool, center align or top align, bottom align, etc. And I am going to align with a horizontal distribution of 80 millimeters. That looks perfect. Command G to group those. Select both with the black selection arrow, center align and base align. I'm then going to do align to keep object. This time it's going to be a negative offset. It is going to be a negative offset of negative 12 in a vertical position. What that's done is it's given me 6 millimeters and then 3 millimeters for the front panel material, and that now should be in the exact right spot for where we want it. If you wish, you can minus front and it punches a hole in that panel for you. The very last thing we need to do is just change that stroke weight to the cut line, 0.01. There we have it, our base stand